Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate my 5-minute face. I got out of the shower obviously because my hair is wet. I just put on moisturizer and here I go, 5 minutes. And what time is it right now? 7:21. So what I do, little foundation on my blender, evening out skin tone. I love Lancome foundation. I'm out of it. This is helping in the meantime. It's just an Almay. I think I got it for like 10 bucks at Target. Does the trick. So I love these blender sponges. Really helps to smooth it all in there. And it helps you get right up to the hairline and kind of blend in so you don't have that awkward line. Get that all smoothed in. I'm using you as a mirror. And my own mirror here. Foundation. Then I do a little powder. I'm using this NYX HD finishing powder. This was recommended to me by the beauty consultant working at Target, and I do like it. I was worried about the white because I'm already pretty pale being Minnesotan, but you can't really tell. It just smooths you out, blends you in. Got my Profusion Bare Eyes kit. I think this was $6.99 at Target. What I do is a lighter shade all over when I'm going quickly. So you cover everything. And then I'll choose one of the darker browns, anything. Sometimes I blend them for my lid. And I like this brush that came with this set. It helps you be extra fast because you got this one that's makes you a little more direct. And then what I did was when I spread that color all over was that thicker, fluffier side. And then once I do that, I just kind of blend with the fluffy side, blend that in. Eyeshadow done. I grab an eyeliner. I like a pencil eyeliner. This is L'Oreal. Line the bottom of my lid, bottom of my other lid, and then I do the same thing on the top inner rim. And then sometimes I'll do my top lash up here too. I don't really feel like doing that today. You can get that done pretty quickly as well. Then I go ahead with my mascara. Also the L'Oreal, my favorite kind. I buy this over and over and over again. It's just the Carbon Black. Lower lash. I hate it when I sneeze right after I've done my mascara and that gets all over the place. Luckily I don't have to sneeze right now. Making the mascara face. Don't know why you do that. Just kind of helps, I guess. There's no reason really why that helps. Top lash. Gonna borrow my own mirror here. Two. Now sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll do this Lash Paradise base, and it's like a white, and it makes your lashes super long. I love it. Today, since we're doing 5 minutes, and I'm talking for a lot of those minutes, I'm gonna slow myself down just by that, but just get the mascara on. A lot of times when I do mascara, what I'd like to do is walk right up to my full-length mirror because I like to be really close so I can see. I'm not doing that now, obviously. And then this is my favorite thing. This is a Senna Cosmetics. It's a brow kit. This has been used and used, so I'm gonna need a new one pretty soon. And my middle color fell out. That's usually a medium shade. But what this has is this little brow brush. So I shape real quick. That. And then I use this little powder brush and I get both. Well, if I had 3 colors, I'd get all 3 colors on it. And the colors kind of blend to make you look a little bit like natural color on your eyebrows, because usually your hair is not just all one color, right? So I do that. I just kind of look and make sure that I did the same level of darkness on each side. Looks pretty good. And then it's a Senna blush. Running low on that. You can tell it's a favorite. A little bit on the apple of the cheeks. And then lipstick, basically, I don't know, whatever you like. This is a L'Oreal Sugar Plum, and it's almost out actually. Had to buy some lipstick yesterday as a replacement. They're on your lips. Blend where needed. Then wash your hands. And let's see what time it is now. 7:27. Pretty close. It was 7:21 and some change when we started. But there's a quick 5-minute face for you. I'm out the door to catch the bus now, so I needed to do it quick. That's it. Have a good day.